Today we're getting results at home in Seminole County, eliminating that nasty odor and slimy soap scum in a washing machine.
So Eric Von Anken is showing you how to do it yourself in your laundry room, tackling projects today that are quick and easy and keeping more money in your pocket.
Oh, that does stink.
Oh, did you have your shower today?
Yeah, it's not me or Jeff. This viewer tells us it's her washing machine, and yeah, it's coming from right down there. I'm News 6 anchor Eric Von Anken, the handy newsman. That's Jeff, the crafty cameraman, and we're going to show you today, getting results at home in Longwood, how to clean this, stop the stink, and keep it from coming back. Ew! Ugh! But I'm not going to judge. I've been there. Step one is scoop the goop. I know this is nasty, but try and wipe off as much of the gunk as you can first. Ugh. Step two is to sanitize. The reason your washer smells is because the dirt gets caught up with the soap, not just in here, but in all the little crevices of the machine, inside things like your hoses and your trays. What you use to sanitize is up to you. Vinegar, of course, is all natural. Bleach is a lot more harsh, but a lot more effective. We're going to use bleach because this needs a thorough cleaning. And don't forget the crevices, like the dispenser and the trays. Then run a full heavy-duty cycle on hot and select 2 rinses. If your machine doesn't have an extra rinse feature, when this is all finished, then run a second cycle without any clothes in it, just to make sure you get out any lingering bleach so it doesn't mess up your clothes. And now we wait. Jeff, what do we do in the meantime? Ooh, this one's my favorite. Hey, I'm News 6 anchor Eric Von Anken, the handy newsman, and
That was really good. Some of your best work.
Cookies are ready, Jeff. Now that's getting results. Wow, it's like brand new. Looks so much better. And smells so much better. And that's step 3. Do this once a month. If you sanitize regularly like this, you should never have this stench. We're getting results at home in Longwood. Eric Von Anken, News 6.